Hey everyone, this is Sean with Pew Pew Tactical, and today we're doing a field strip of the Walther PDP. First thing we're going to do is release the magazine by pressing this button. Now we're going to make sure that the chamber is empty by pulling back on the slide. Now that that's established, point the gun in a safe direction, press the trigger. Now, I'm going to pull back on the slide while simultaneously pulling out on the takedown. Only goes back a little distance, and then you pull the slide off of the frame. Remove the recoil spring by compressing it a little and pulling down. Then push down on the barrel and pull it out. For more information on this and other fine weapons, please check us out at pewpewtactical.com or check the link in the description below. To reassemble the PDP, reinsert the barrel into the slide, pull it back into place. Make sure you orient the spring forward, not backward. Place the front end toward the muzzle. Compress the spring until it drops into place. Now, line up the slots in the slide with the rails on the frame and pull them back. The PDP is reassembled. Once the PDP is reassembled, we'll need to do a function test. Remove the magazine. Confirm that the chamber is empty. Point the weapon in a safe direction. Press and hold on to the trigger. You should hear a click. Rack the slide while holding on to the trigger. Gently release your finger until you hear a click. Now that you've established trigger reset, press the trigger again. This weapon is functioning fine. Thanks for watching. This has been Sean with Pew Pew Tactical.